Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Girls, today we are going to study a very new concept. Watch the whole video with full concentration. Today we are going to study how to change the repeating decimals into simplest form. Let us start. See this question. Express each decimal as a fraction in simplest form. 0.8 bar. This is a repeating decimal. So our first step is let n is equals to 0.8 bar. We can write this. We can write it like this also. 0.88 and so on. And say this equation 1. Since there is one digit in the repeatant, that is 8, we multiply equation 1 by 10. Multiplying equation 1 by 10. So we multiply this equation by 10. Multiply 10, multiply 10. 10n, we get 10n. And here this decimal shifts one digit to the left. When we multiply this number by 10, the decimal shift one digit to the left. So we get 8.888. 8 is repeating. Now say this equation 2. Our next step is we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So we write first equation number 2. 10n is equals to 8.888 and here n is equals to 0.888. Now subtract this equations. 10 minus 1n, we get 9n, and here we get 8 and 0 0 0, right? So what we get 9n is equals to 8 and n is equals to 8 by 9. This is our required fraction. Understood? Now let's take another example. 0.585 and a bar over 585. Again, our first step, let n is equals to 0.585 bar, or we can write n is equals to 0.585 and so on. Say this equation number 1. Now since the block of repeating digits contain 3 digits, so we multiply equation 1 by 1000. Multiplying equation 1 by 1000. Here we multiply it by 1000 and here also. So what we get? We get 1000n is equal to, here we are multiplying it by 1000. So this decimal shift to 3 places. So what we get? We get 585.585 and so on. Say this equation number 2. Now our next step is subtracting equation 1 from 2. 1000 n is equals to 585.585 and so on, and here n is equals to 0.585 and so on. We can write 0 here also. What we get here? We get here 999n, and here we get 585, right? Now what we get? 585. So the value of n is equals to 585 upon 999. This is your answer. Let's take another example. 23.43 bar. Let n is equals to 23.43 bar, or you can write 23.4343 and so on. Say this equation number 1. Now here 2 digits 4 and 3 are repeating, so we multiply this equation 1 by 100. Multiplying equation 1 by 100. Multiplying it by 100. What we get? We get 100n is equals to 23, and this decimal shift 2 places to the left. So we get this. This is our equation number 2. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. 100n, 0.4343 and so on, and here n is equals to 23.4343 and so on. Now subtracting what we get here, 99n, and here we get 0, 2, 3 and 2, and here we get 0, 0, 0. So 99n is equals to 2320. So n is equals to 2320 divided by 99. Understood?